guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. We love visitors. My name is Grace Nyawera, and here we learn how to prepare simple meals using simple ingredients. If you're not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you can join our very big family. Yeah, and to my returning subscribers, guys, mnajua kama kawa, I love you guys so much, and I am super grateful for every time you come back to watch my videos, like, share, guys, and comment. I am super grateful. Thank you so much. I hope you guys are keeping warm wherever you are. Guys, continue keeping warm and holding on right there. This cold season is gonna be over very soon, before you know it. In today's video, we're gonna be doing something very simple, really quick. It's something I promised to show you guys how I do it my way. So I hope you're gonna enjoy. So buckle your seatbelts and join me, guys, to the adventure. So guys, you remember when I told you that I'll once share with you my recipe for my homemade chili? So this is it, guys. So here are my ingredients. As you can see, I have 4 fresh chilies. Guys, for me to choose chilies, I always have to smell. If a chili does not smell chili, I believe that it's not hot. So I have to make sure that my chilies smell chili to make sure that they are hot chilies. Then of course I'll need 2 onions. I prefer to have enough onions for my chilies. Then over here I have 3 cloves of garlic. Here I have 2 pieces of ginger, guys. Then of course I'll need tomatoes. So I'm going to use 5 tomatoes. Guys, if you have tomatoes that are kind of how do I say overripe? Yes. If you have overripe tomatoes, the ones that when you press like this, they get to, like, your finger goes in, those are the best tomatoes. But I did not get those because I do not have, so I'm just going to use whatever I have. Then I'm going to use some salt for seasoning. I have some vinegar over here, just little, to give my chili some tangy taste. Then I need to add some flavor to my chili, so I'm going to be using some rosemary. I don't know if you can see, it's very little. So I'm going to grind it to make sure that it's very super soft or super smooth. So guys, so that's it. That's all I will need for this chili. It's a very simple process and a quick one too. Sawa. So guys, let's get busy. Guys, so I want to grind ginger, garlic, and the chilies together. So right now I'm cutting the garlic, followed by the ginger, then the chilies. For the chilies, I'll only cut them into halves, and that will be it. Then grind them together. Now that the ginger, chili, and garlic are out of the way, it's time to grate the onions. And as you can see, guys, I'm using the lower part of the grater, which is the smaller part, because I need a paste from the onions. I don't want pieces. So that's why I'm using the lower part or the smaller part of the grater. So next, guys, we're going to grate the tomatoes, but I'm not going to use the smaller part of the grater like we did with the onions. We're going to use the upper part of the grater, which is the bigger part. So there's a reason why I chose to grate and not to blend. I don't like how my chili comes out when I blend the tomatoes. I don't know. It really just doesn't come out how I like it. So I prefer grating the tomatoes using the upper part of the large holes or the large part of the grater. It really comes out the way I love it. So guys, at this point, I'm going to saute the onions using just moderate or just enough oil, not too much, just enough to saute my onions very well. Then I'll add my rosemary at this point. Then later I will add the ginger, garlic, and chilies. And I'll make sure to cover after that. Guys, when you get to the point of adding your chilies, make sure you cover, because we have to allow the chilies, garlic, and all that to cook so that they can also soak the oil. So guys, after adding your chilies, remember it's chilies, garlic, and ginger. After adding, give a quick stir, then cover, and if possible, leave the kitchen. Because guys, if you choose to stay in the kitchen, you will cough, guys. You'll cough and cry at the same time. So after doing this, you need to cover, then allow it to cook for about a minute or two before adding the tomatoes. So if possible, just cover, then get out of the kitchen a little bit, get a breather for a minute or two, then come back to add the tomatoes. So at this point, we are not just adding the tomatoes, but everything else, that is the salt and the vinegar. We stir together, then cover once again and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes, then come back and check. Remember, guys, we don't want it to have too much liquid, though it should also not be too dry, just there in the middle. Guys, as you can see, it looks so nice, but it has too much water, so I'm gonna allow it to cook for about 3 more minutes, then come back and check how it looks like. I'm back 3 minutes later, and guys, as you can see, the water has reduced. See, now it's a paste. It looks so nice, and I have to start to make sure that it has not stuck on the sufuria. Guys, just see how easy it is to pass my cooking stick. This is so nice. So at this point, I'm going to test for salt. Remember, chili uses a lot of salt, so I have to test to make sure that the salt is enough. Wow, guys, that chili is so hot, but it's super sweet. So, but the salt was not enough, so that's why I've added a little bit of salt. But that's it. Guys, as you can see, our chili is ready, and I decided to serve mine with some viazi karai and some tamarind sauce, of course. Guys, wow. can't wait to sit down and enjoy this. This is so lovely. So you can use this chili with literally anything, any food, any snack. You can also use it to cook. For example, if you're cooking fish and you want to maybe add chili, you can use this. This is a chili that you can use with everything and anything in the house. And don't forget that it can survive unrefrigerated for 1 full week. So just let it to cool down, then add it in your container and store it very well, and it's gonna serve you for a whole week. So you can imagine if you decide to refrigerate it, probably it may go for about 2 weeks. I don't know. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed and hope you liked it. Kindly remember to give the video a thumbs up. You can also share the video out, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed the process, guys. So if you also try out the recipe, talk to me in the comment section. So, guys, do not forget that we are on road to 1,000 subscribers. Guys, I am requesting you kindly, if you have not subscribed and you're watching this video, what are you waiting for? Let's take about 2 seconds right now. Go over to the subscribe button, the red subscribe button. Guys, it is free to subscribe. Absolutely free if you did not know. Kindly go ahead, touch that button, just touching like this, and you'll have subscribed. And next to it, there's a bell button. Hit that bell button as well, or touch it gently. However you decide to do it, so that you do not miss out on any video that I get to post. Guys, let's grow our community, let's grow our channel, let us all have fun together. Okay, guys? Okay. Okay. So, guys, go ahead, subscribe, and share the video out, guys. Do not watch the video alone. Kindly share out to others. Let others also enjoy the video. Let others also learn as you do. So that's it for today, guys. Till next time. Bye bye.